not 12. Didn't you know your daughter's age?
Oh,
She's 11.
I'm 3.
Yeah, and you know where you're supposed to be right now? Where?
Where you can see me?
No, you're supposed to be in bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better go to bed. Well, you have to. Well, you have to go to bed. Okay, well, look, your sister's getting all mad.
go to bed, Josh.
I thought you wanted me to stop.
No, I just said your sister's getting mad. Now go to bed.
Go to bed.
Oh, here comes Dave. He'll get you. What are you getting all mad about? What are you so mad about? Oh my goodness. You getting all mad. Sierra. Oh, come on. You can't play for a little bit? You can't play in that by yourself? Oh, you're throwing such a fit. Sierra. Oh, okay. I'll get you.